Today let's talk about this cool text animation which you can use in your travel video, or you can use this to animate many things. It's your own creativity, and wait till the end. This bonus text animation that you can create easily. Write your text in any of your travel video and add your desired font. You can download the font from thefont.com, and by selecting the text layer, create a mask path like this. And take your time to create this mask path. Let me fast forward this. When it is done, then go to the effects and type stroke effect and drag it to your text layer. Under stroke effect, check this all mask option here and select any color for mask path, which we covered with this color, and increase this value till you cover it. Then select the paint style to reveal original image and create a keyframe on end. At start it should be 0%, and after 2 seconds to 4 seconds, depend on how quickly you want to reveal, make it 100%, and see, it's amazing. But let's make it more easy to create with my second technique. Right click on the text layer, go to create and go to create shape from text, and a shape is created just as the text. Make the fill option to none and increase the stroke till it fills the text layer. And then under shape layer, go to the add and add trim path and animate the end by using keyframe. Then visible the text layer, make sure it's just under the shape layer. Then select the alphabet and let me play it and see its look amazing. And there is a bonus text animation in this, that how we can create this cool text animation. Want to know this? Then watch this video and create your own text animation, and make sure to subscribe to this channel.